Now, to make the traditional tamal of chaya, first we need the masa for tortillas, the chaya leaf, okay, some tomatoes to make the sauce, and eggs. We need to boil it, okay? Then we start to mix the chaya leaf with the masa, and we make this form, okay? We make this form of the tamal with the chaya already. Then we wrap it with the banana leaf. We put it in the pot. We cook it for 45 minutes or 1 hour, depending on the fire. And then, once we have the tomato, sauce, and the boiled egg, we put it on the top. And this is how the chaya tamal looks like. Okay? This is only one kind of tamal that we have here in the park, but we have many, many different tamales in Yucatan or even all Mexico. Okay? What we're going to taste is the chaya tamal. Remember, spicy, who likes spicy, right here we got. Letty is going to help us to serve one piece of the chaya tamal. And then, once you got the piece of the tamal, I'll be waiting for you in the next table to see the process of the chocolate.